it's making hydrogen, you can see bubbles inside. And when the CBPA or ROCB light turns red, it reminds you to replace the filter elements. First, close the water inlet. Then open the water faucet to drain the water inside the machine. And next, unplug the power. The filter and then take it out. Replace a new one. And now plug the power. And then select which one you just replaced. And press the reset button for 6 seconds. Okay. After the replacement, press the flush button. It will flush for 30 minutes. After flush itself, then you can use it as normal.